I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me,
Raquel's here with me. Oh, thank you. Easy.
This is true. Well, if you have a fridge that just
No, bro, look. Look at this.
This is the American dream. Door alarm. Don't steal my ice cream.
I love this.
Wow.
Water crushed cube light. Oh, there's a light on. Oh, this is fucking fancy. Well, full apartment tour coming soon, but oh, this is crazy.
Good cabinet space. So much room for the Oh.
It's all mine.
Yes. Look at these beautiful lights.
We're trying to
Okay, you can close it again.
ratchet this.
This is 90.1 WABE Atlanta, broadcast service at 4, and we've got 2 hours of all things considered.
Sydney, I'm so proud of you. This is starting a whole new chapter, and I'm so happy to be along for the ride.
Welcome to the vlog. I decided I need to go ahead and start vlogging because if I don't, this is just not gonna happen. It's not gonna happen, and I'm gonna be done moving and it's gonna be over. So day one, welcome. Don't mind whatever's on my shirt, and my face is not. Yes, so don't mind what's on my shirt. I just washed my face. I've been waiting to actually vlog this moment because it's just been a long time coming. This is just like a huge decision that I kind of made for myself, honestly, for so many reasons, but we don't have to talk about that right now. It's currently 9:35. I have, what are they, like a cable internet appointment that's supposed to be at from 9 to 11. Like, they'll come anytime between then. So I was trying to clean up. I'll show you guys what it's looking like so far. Just a bunch of boxes, a bunch of clothes. They're all clean. It's just they're not folded and put away. All of my hangers are still at the other apartment. Plants. This one's new. This one I had, and the rest I had. But yeah, still trying to get it together. My desk setup is here. I was just eating breakfast, so this is a very influencer-esque breakfast, but it's good. Like, I don't know what to say. About to start work, and yeah, so more stuff. That's kind of what the apartment is looking like. I don't know what to say. I'm just so happy. I will show you guys like a full, more in-depth tour of the apartment once I sit down and make that video. I don't know if it's gonna go up before this one or if it's gonna go up after, but you guys will see it. It's just been a process, and I'm just so glad that I made this decision. I was so hesitant, like leading up to the day that I was like, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and move. I was so anxious. Like, I just been going through so much. I think I was like, I just need something to make me feel good. I need to be in a new space, a new environment. I need something. I was feeling really stuck, feeling really like, damn, life is hitting me hard. And I didn't want to vlog that process. I didn't want to make videos or nothing. I just wanted to, I really didn't even want to do anything. But yeah, I pushed through, and now we're at this point, and I'm still climbing. yeah, it's been really tough these past few months. So I decided that I'm going to do some moving vlogs, because like I want to document this process, and then I want to also do the healing vlogs so I can show you guys another process of me growing and learning and doing this adult shit, because it's different. And now I'm 21. I'm gonna be 22 in 2 months. And I'm just such a baby, but at the same time, I feel so like mature. So it's hard for me sometimes to like wrap my head around it. And then when things like this happen, I'm like, oh my god, like I've been wanting this for so long. Like this moment right now, this everything, this I've been wanting this and working hard for this. Okay, so my phone just died, so I'm gonna give myself an opportunity to take a break. I'm taking these. I just decided to start taking vitamins because my nails have never been this long. Like this nail, even though it's like it was broken off, like the acrylic came off, like my whole nail survived. Your nails usually get really thin after you get acrylics. That's why I don't know, I didn't really like getting acrylics at first, and now I'm like more open to it. Just knowing that, I was like, I don't know. Felt like my nails were gonna get thinner and thinner, but no, like after I started taking these vitamins, my nails really strong. Like my nails have never been this strong, and I felt like that was a sign that I wasn't getting all the nutrients that I needed. Anyways, since my phone is dead and I'm using my phone hotspot, I can't like, get on my hotspot to do my work, so I have to wait. Hopefully that gets together, but once I have the internet actually working in here, then that's when I'll be able to like do the whole work from home thing. So some things that I did get for the house. I got this air fryer. I usually go to Aldi's. Aldi's is that girl for like all of your grocery needs. So yeah, I found this air fryer, and not gonna lie, the box is a little beaten. It's a little beaten up. So I'm nervous. Oh, this is so cool. So I'm gonna keep these in case I need to take it back. Okay, let me plug it up and see. Oh, that's so cool. Menu. Oh, it goes up to 400. Okay. I did not expect it to be so high tech. And it's pretty deep. Like you can put a considerable amount of food in there. I'm trying to turn it off. I don't know how to turn it off. Oh my god. I'm gonna just unplug it. Wait, just turn it off. Let's hop on this interview. Kinda nervous. I got this. So, here we go. looking a lot less crusty now. I worked for a few hours downstairs. There's like these really cute nook area things. Got hungry, so now we're making a sandwich. Okay. But okay, randomly decided that I want to go and look at some home stuff at Urban Outfitters, so that's what I'm gonna do.